All right, we are going to do double crochets. So here we have our chain 4 to start with a slip stitch into the loop and our chain 3. So to do a double crochet, you are going to wrap around the hook. And remember, you always wrap behind the hook, never in front. So you will wrap around that one time. You're going to find the center of your chain 4 here. So if you kind of pull it apart, you can see that this center area has kind of a bigger gap than the rest of them, kind of helps. This one's a little tricky because that's where our slip stitch is, so it's pulling that loop, making it a little wider, but you don't want to go in that one. Pull these guys apart. If you look closely, you can see your chains. Pull it apart here. All right, we're gonna go in this center. So with the yarn wrapped around your hook one time, we're going to go right in the center, right through there. You're gonna wrap around again. You're gonna pull that yarn through, and then you kind of bring the tension here even with your other loops on here. So you should have 3 loops on here, and they should all be just about the same loop size. To complete our double crochet, we're gonna wrap. I apologize about this tail here. It does get in the way a little bit, but just try not to grab it. We're gonna wrap around again. Grab this. And we're going to pull that one through 2 loops. So you have 2 loops on there now. We're going to wrap around again. Again, watch out for that tail. And then we're going to put it through those 2 loops there. That is a double crochet. Let's do it one more time. And you can see here, you can see the chains are a little more even now that we got it in the center. It helps keep it apart there. But you can see the individual chains in the center here. So make sure you're going through the center of that chain 4 loop. Let's do another double crochet. Wrap around one time. We're going to go through the center of the chain 4. You can see here. We're in the center. I'm holding that tail just to the side here. We're gonna pull that yarn through that we wrapped around when we went through the center. We have 3 loops on again. Wrap around. We're gonna take that, go through the 2 loops, wrap around again, and we're gonna go through the 2 loops. Okay, so in this case, this chain 3 is going to count as a double crochet, and then we have 2 actual double crochets. So we have 1, 2, and 3 double crochets. Let's do one more. All right, holding it here, we're gonna wrap around. I apologize again, that tail likes to get in the way. All right, wrap around, keep your tail to the side. You're gonna go through the center, which becomes more and more clear as we put more double crochets in there. Going through the center, pull that yarn through. We have 3 loops on our hook. Wrap around. Pull through the 2 loops. wrap around again and pull through the 2 loops. All right, so counting our chain 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets on here. And again, you can see that the center of this chain 4 is becoming more clear. And just watch out for this little tail. It can be a struggle. Just try to keep him to the side. And make sure you're grabbing your actual yarn, not the tail when you're wrapping around.